Hello dear student. Yesterday we have seen about the construction of this periodic table. Now today we will discuss about that the electronic configuration and that properties of this all blocks including that periodic table will be there. Now student, the meaning of this electronic configuration, it is like that. It is a distribution of that electrons with respect to their shape according to its energy states. It is simply called as that electronic configuration is there. Now see that this periodic table has that the four blocks: S block, P block, D block and F block, and every block has its electronic configuration. For S block is there. So electronic configuration of this S block is that NS, that is 1 to 2. So that this NS1, this electronic configuration means indicate that S orbital contain, that is one electron. So this first group, this is called as alkali metals. So its electronic configuration is NS1. While this second group, it is alkaline earth metal will be there. So its electronic configuration is that NS2 will be there. Now similarly, that for P block. So this P block, it is like that. It is NP, that is 1 to 6, and this NS2. Means that this P block containing that at least one electron in this P orbital. So one electron in P orbital, so this is group number 13. Means this is a NS2, NP1. Then 14, NS2, NP2. Then third one, that is 15, NS2, NP3. Group number 16, NS2, NP4. Then group number 17, it is NS2, NP5. And then group number 18, that is NS2, NP6. Means this is a boron family, carbon family, nitrogen family, oxygen family, halogen family, and it is a noble gas family will be there. So all these group containing such is the configuration for that. Means that it's a P containing that 6 electrons which is to be completely filled into it. So it is a totally satisfied form of it. Now next one, it is for that electronic configuration of that D block will be there. So this D block, it is like that. It is N minus 1, D 1 to 10. Then NP, NS, that is 2. This is a general form of this electronic configuration. We can't include that the P orbital into it. So at least one electron which is to be present in this D orbital is there, and maximum this 10 electrons in that. So this group number 3 containing 1 electron in the D, it is a 4 block containing 2, 5 containing 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So say at this 12 group containing, it is completely satisfied by that the D group will be there or D block will be there. Correct? Then again this F block element which carries its electronic configuration is like that. It is N minus 2, that is F 1 to 14. Then say that it is N D 0 or 1 or 2, 0 or 1, and then NS2. So that this F block containing again these two types of series. One is a lanthanide series, one is a actinide type of that series. We say that F containing that means that one electron will be there. In this case again this lanthanide and actinide, these are the D block elements. So it is not including that the F electron will be there. But next is cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, such type of that element which containing that at least one electron in that the F orbital. D containing sometime maybe 0, sometime maybe 1, and that NS2. And in case of that, you can get that this is N minus 2 F1 to 14. So 4F series for lanthanide and 5F series for that actinide series is to be obtained. Now again we are getting the properties of this blockwise formation will be there. So this S block, it is a highly electropositive type of that elements. Means that they have donor property. They always donates the electron to the another one are there. So it is a highly electropositive will be there. So minimum number of that electron, either 1 or 2 electrons which is to be present in the outermost shell. So that's why its reactivity is to be higher one. That sodium is that the element which is having that the highest reactivity which is to be present into it. This is the second one there. These are said that it is a basic character of that compound which is shown by that the this group first as well as group second. Just like I can say that NaOH or Na compounds are that mostly basic in character. These are to be obtained into it. Similarly, the p block elements will be there. So the characteristic of p block, so definitely the last electron which is to be enters into that p orbital. So that's why it is a p block element will be there. P block containing that some metals are also there, some non-metals are also there, metalloids also there, and noble gas elements also there. So this block containing that all types of that such combinations will be there: metal, non-metal, metalloid, noble gases, which is to be included. Now see that these elements are also called as that representative type of that elements. So see that this boron shows it's a representation. So it's the boron family, this is a carbon family, this is a nitrogen family, this is a chalcogen family, this is a halogen family, then it is a noble gas family. Such is the character which is to be included. Now see that these are highly electronegative type of that elements which are to be present into it. So exactly opposite of this S block, these are that highly electronegative type of that elements are to be obtained into it. Then see that the D block, the characteristics of D block, which is exactly sandwich between S and P. So these are called as at first, it is a transition type of that elements are there. In such, all elements are that metals. No one is a non-metal which is to be present or metalloid which is to be present. Completely metals are to be there. D block shows variable oxidation states. Means that manganese shows it's a variety of oxidation state will be there. It shows that +2 also there, +3 also there, up to that +7 it's a highest oxidation state. Osmium is the D block element which shows that it's a +8 oxidation state, which is the highest in case of that. Generally D block element shows that the color property. Due to that it's a transition, DD transition. Most of the D block elements are colored into it. Then say that this D block element also shows the catalytic property will be there. So catalyst is a substance which can increase the rate of reaction or maybe decrease the rate of reaction, but which does not involve in that chemical reaction. So that's why it shows the good catalytic property of this D block elements will be there. Then said D block element again shows it's a formation of that complexes are there. So such are that simple properties. This also shows interstitial type of that compound also formed by the D block elements are there. Then see that next one is the A block element. A block containing that one is a lanthanide series, one is the actinide series are there. So this lanthanide series is simply called as that it's a rare earth metal, while this actinide series, which is to be called as that it's a radioactive element series are to be there. We said in this lanthanide only promethium is the element which is radioactive in nature, while that in that actinide series all that elements which are to be that it's a radioactive in that character. So in this actinide series for first 4 elements, that is actinium, thulium, protactinium and uranium. These are 4 elements which are radioactive in character, which exists in this nature. But afterward that after 93 to up to that 103 up to lawrencium, these all elements are prepared by that man-made processes are there. We see that these are rare earth, these are the radioactive in characters are there. Then see that they also shows that complex property, they also shows that the lanthanide and actinide contractions will be there. So this contraction it belongs to that as the atomic number increases, then atomic size decreases suddenly. This idea is called as that lanthanide as well as that actinide type of this contraction which is to be present into it. And due to lanthanide and actinide contraction, its effect will be there that afterward elements will be there. This is that after lanthanide, that remaining elements that will be shows somewhat different character. These are called as that post lanthanide type of that element which are to be present into it. So such is the basic character, and these are the electronic configurations of that. It's a modern periodic table will be there. Next time we will see the next time we can get that the IUPAC name and that properties of that elements with respect to their trends in that modern periodic table. Thank you.